Okay, today I would like to tell you guys what I think of the Conair Cord Keeper 1875 watt hair dryer that I purchased. First of all, 1875 watts is a must for me. I have a lot of hair and it's thick, so if I use less than that, it takes forever, and it seems to dry my hair out more because it takes so much longer of applying the heat to it. Now, the next thing is the Cord Keeper. I cannot stand to use a hair dryer, and when you're done, you're trying to wrap this cord up. It's looking all messy, laid out everywhere. So I ordered the Cord Keeper because all you have to do is push the button on the side. The cord simply retracts back up into the hair dryer. Beautiful, neat. Another thing I love, compact. Folds in half, and then I just take it and I put it in my little hair dryer bag, which I did purchase separately, and pull the drawstrings up, put it in the closet, put it in the drawer, put it wherever. When I'm on the go, grab the bag, take it with me. It's fantastic. I would definitely recommend this hair dryer. Thanks, guys.
It's got kind of a cooler speed. Lots of power. It's got a cool button if you need it, and then you just, when you put it away, you unplug it, hit the retract button, fold it up, put it away for easy storage. It was
does not stop going back in. It will not stay out.